Thozani bokhokho nomkhulu. Ngicela ukwenethulela isigubhu esinye. Lesigubhu lesi sibizwa ukuthi unjidi. Unjidi. NJIDI. Njidi. Lesigubhu lesi is precisely, specifically for business, not for traditional healers, not for abafundisi, not anything else but business. This is a main part. This is a main scope. This one. It's a main. It's a main. You must be careful. It's a main. When you come, we take that one that you see, that one. See that one. But you won't find it as designed as it is. I'm trying to use as many languages as possible because we're dealing with different languages, different people from all over the world. So English is what we're going to use most of the time. But English I'm bad and so that is the scope that we use. With a teaspoon from this main scope. We take a teaspoon out of it. Then we close it. Then sithaga lesa scope lesa. Lesa scope lesan. That's what we mix. Then lesa scope lesan some business that are existing. It's not for businesses that are not existing. It's not for dreams. It's not for job positions. It's not for anything else. It's for your funeral parlor. It's for your businesses like your fish and chips, your restaurant, your bottle store, your laundry, your anything that is an existing business, your vegetable business, your supermarket, your spaza shop, your tuck shop, whatever business that is existing, not a new business, not a business that you still want to start. Zikhona igubhu zalokho. We are not talking about that. We are talking about existing businesses. That is where we are. That is what we are talking about. Existing businesses. So when you call, sometimes you need to be specific. Yes, sometimes you are new in Gogo Bathini Mbatha YouTube channel, so you don't know about other videos that we have posted. But you need to be specific with Gogo. Ngifuna unjidi. Unjidi is faster because unjidi is focused. Unjidi is directly to what you want. That's the difference. There are other things, but unjidi is directly to businesses that are existing. Nothing else. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 083 533 9183 083 533 9183. Ngani zakwethu, don't phone and make an appointment knowing very well that you're not going to come, knowing very well that you are lying, knowing very well that you can't afford the issue yeziko lomnotho. Don't waste your time and other people's time and my time. Angilaphi ngoWhatsApp. Don't ask me questions on WhatsApp. You are wasting your time. Call. If I have time, I'll attend to your call. I'll answer your questions. We're done. If you write your history on WhatsApp about your business, about your problems, you are literally wasting your time. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 083 533 9183.